Hey Heather, this is Shaelee. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. The first thing that I see here is I really like the website. It looks really nice. They did a good job with the call to actions here, which helps convert leads to customers there and here as well. They have the buttons scattered throughout, so that is good. Something that I see here is that there's not enough content on the website, and the reason that we want more content is because Google is constantly 24/7 crawling the internet, and so they will crawl every website searching for the content, searching for keywords, and you want at least 1,500 words on your website, especially your main page, specifically your main page, so that Google will consider you an authority. And throughout that content on your main page, you want to have what's called keywords embedded in it, just so that Google knows what you're about. And an example of a keyword, let's go over here to Google, for you would be Foundation Repair OKC. So people are searching this every month, and so when what pulls up is some ads here, which I see you guys have an ad. Scroll down, there's more ads. And when we get to this section, this is called the Google Map Pack. And so you want to be in the top 3 here. And the reason for that is most people just stay in the top 3. They don't click or scroll down for more. And so 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be in the top 3 so that you're getting that business. And so in order to beat these other businesses out, you need more citations, which would be your business name, phone number, and address listed in other places like Yelp. You want 5-star reviews, and you want some photos. If we scroll down here, this is what's called the organic listing. And so let's skip this top 10 Angie list since they're not a business. The number 1 organic listing here for Foundation Repair OKC is PowerliftFoundationRepair.com. And so if I scroll down here, you guys are not in the organic listing here. And so let's go over to the Powerlift website. So looking at their website, they also have some call to actions here. But they're also missing content. They don't have enough content either. So let's see why their listing so high. So I plugged in PowerliftFoundationRepair.com into Ahrefs, and what this is it's just showing us what's going on in the back end. And their website has 33 trust and 26 power, and these are ratings from Google itself. And so what goes into those are backlinks, which come from referring domains. And what a backlink is that's just another website shouting out your website. So they are hyperlinking to your website. So let's compare your website to Powerlift Foundation. So here is your website plugged into the same Ahrefs. And so they're giving you 20 and 0.2, which comes from 114 backlinks from 25 domains. And so these numbers here, we need to raise these and not only match Powerlift Foundation, but we want to get higher than them. And so what we would do is we would get you more quality backlinks, and if there are good backlinks here in Powerlift Foundation, we could just copy those, because if they're working for them, they'd work for you as well, and we'd add some more. But let's see what their organic keywords are and where some of their traffic is coming from. So they are getting traffic. So buyer intent keyword for your area, Foundation Repair OKC, 450 people are searching a month. Foundation Repair Oklahoma City, 450 people are searching a month. Foundation Repair Tulsa, 400 are searching a month. Tulsa Foundation Repair, 350. And so the list just keeps going on. And so these are keywords that they're ranking for and they're getting traffic for. So if we could get you up higher, these people that are searching that are buyer intent could be landing on your page, which the more people that see your website, the more that will convert into the customers for you. So you can start implementing some of these tips already, and if you want help, you can always reach out and I'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.